Hey, what up, guys? If you guys got a screen door that gets stuck all the time, I'm gonna show you how I fix mine. So you're gonna check all the rollers. So this one's pretty good. Push it all the way down. Make sure it get pushed down. So that's the first one. There are 4 of them. So we're gonna check this one. This one, it get pushed all the way down. So this one is good. And then we're gonna check the other one. Yep, this one is good. So I'm gonna show you where the problem is at. It only takes one to get all tangled up. So I think this is the ones. As you can see, I can only push it halfway down. So how are we gonna fix this problem? This is super easy, guys. So all you gotta have is a Phillips screwdriver. It was named after Henry Phillips from Oregon. So you're gonna stick the Phillips screwdriver in there and lefty loosey, loosen it all up. Not all the way down, just loosen it up and check it if you can push it all the way down. So this one is good. I can push it all the way down, so that will fix the problem. But that's not all that. You're gonna check your railings where the slide door slide. It looks filthy and dirty. So what I'm gonna do right here, I got this wet and dry vacuum, so I'm gonna blow them all off. I'll put the link on the description down below where you can get this vacuum at. So after that, I'm gonna spray it. Any spray cleaner at home, use it. So I'm gonna spray it in, walk it in, spray it in. And after that, so like what I said, I'll put the link on the description down below where you can get this wet and dry vacuum by Stanley. So I'ma suck all this dirt in and all the cleaning chemical that I put in. So I'm gonna have this tissue paper to wipe it down. Alright, clean it up all good before we install the screen door back in. Of course, I like to use this oil for door hinge. This is like all-purpose oil. So I'm gonna run some oil on the railings. Alright, I'll put the link on the description down below where you can get this oil. I'm also gonna put some oil on all 4 rollers. Okay, let them all out. Okay, all the contact points, all the melt points, all the moving parts, all up. Alright, it's time to install. You're gonna push it up. You might see my butt crack in here. So you're gonna push it up and then go down and push the roller flush, and so it'll slide back in. Super easy, guys. Now, as you can see from outside, it's moving freely like a bird from inside, just like that. If you like this video, if you want to add something up, comment down below. Subscribe. Peace out.